I'm Tammy Pack. 20 years ago, I got bored practicing law and had the crazy idea to move to Fredericksburg, Texas to open a little quilt shop. But Fredericksburg is the B&B capital of the world, so I bought my first guest house. And then a few years later started Absolute Charm B&B Reservations. Now we represent 140 beautiful B&Bs and vacation rentals. Along the way, I met a really creative guy named Wes Pack. He was just too adorable, so I married him. He gave up his own successful career in custom home sales to move here to help me chase my dreams.
And together we started Absolute Charm Real Estate. So now we work with both tourists planning a trip to Fredericksburg, as well as buyers looking to pull up stakes and move to the hill country. You name it, we sell it. But we really focus on bringing buyers and sellers of investment properties together.
This series is here to give you tips on all the fun things to do and places to visit while you're in Fredericksburg. That's whether you're just planning a little weekend visit or hoping to check in for good.
Along the way, we'll introduce you to some of Fredericksburg's most colorful characters and unique attractions. Whether they're in the middle of Main Street or off the beaten path, we'll sniff them out and bring them your way.
Every Wednesday, we'll post a new video showing what's hot and what's happening.
What you got to know about Fredericksburg, Texas. Hi, I'm Wes Pack, and this is my wife, Tammy.
And we own Absolute Charm B&B Reservations.
And Absolute Charm Real Estate. And we're here at the Fredericksburg 4th of July Parade. And we have Brandon Vineyard, who is the marketing director or
Marketing and Public Relations.
Marketing and Public Relations. And they have an amazing military convoy in the parade.
Admiral Chester Nimitz was born right here in Fredericksburg. He's our favorite son. And he was the commander of the entire Pacific Fleet in World War II. The Nimitz Museum is the largest museum in the world dedicated to, I believe, the Pacific Front.
Largest one in the country solely dedicated to the Pacific Theater during World War II.
Okay.
So what exactly do you guys have? Yeah, they literally have a military campaign here. What's going on?
Well, we've got our military convoy and some of our great living history volunteers here. So we've got 3 Jeeps, our Stuart tank, our half track, and we're just here to kind of show support for 4th of July and kind of remind people on why it's important to celebrate this great holiday and what people give to that we can have this holiday.
And I noticed you got 2 rosy riveters here.
We do.
In fact, Lisa Simmons works for the museum.
Yes, she does.
I do.
What better way to cap off your 4th of July than an old-fashioned fireworks show?
Absolutely. Here we are at the Gillespie County Airport. In fact, we're sitting right on the tarmac, and the fireworks are going to be right off in that direction.
This is the best seat in the house, pretty much.
Yeah, we got some friends back there we're going to gather with and celebrate. So happy 4th of July, everybody.
God bless Texas.
And God bless America.